Pump up two 260 balloons, leaving a 5 to 6 finger tail. It's okay if they end up being different lengths. Tie the nozzles together. Twist both balloons into 4-finger bubbles. Using the shorter balloon, make a 3-finger bubble. Then make another 3-finger bubble. This will be the cat's face and ears. Take the 2 nozzles that you've already tied into a knot and tie them around the last twist that you made. This is what it should look like so far. Next, squeeze the 2 balloons together and twist. You will no longer need the shorter balloon, so break or cut it off and wrap the tail around the last twist that you made. Tuck the nozzles in so you can't see them. Make a 2-finger bubble. This will be the cat's neck. Then make a 4-finger bubble. Twist the 4-finger bubble together with another 4-finger bubble. These will be the cat's front legs. Make another 4-finger bubble. This will be the cat's body. Then make 2 more 4-finger bubbles and twist them together. These will be the cat's back legs. If the remaining bubble is not completely inflated, squeeze it to distribute the air evenly. Then mold it into a C-shaped curve. Then draw on the face and the ears. To make this balloon cat, you will need a pump, 2 260 balloons, and a Sharpie. If you want to order the pump or the balloons on Amazon, I will put links in the description below.